So I'll show you what I have. I have so many things, but I'm going to explain each and every thing. I have my vinegar here, the clear vinegar. This one I use it to clean my vegetables and all that. Then here I have a cabbage. This one I'm going to use it for my salad, the cabbage, the dania, the tomatoes. Yeah, that's all for my, and then I'll grate some carrot to add to my salad, and then I'll add some sweet corn in my salad. And then from there I have some carrots here. I have some carrots here. I have some tomatoes here. This one I'm going to use it to prepare my beef. Then I have this green onion. This one I'll add to my salad. From there I have these onions. It's the ones that I'm going to fry my beef with. Then I have sweet baby corns. I have a meshiri. I have this. I have already prepared my dough here, and the flour that I used, it is this ajab, the ajab flour. And then I have the brown one, eggs, the brown wheat flour. From there I have my Royco cubes, these ones here, Maggi star. I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, I have it here, the Maggi star. Where is my camera? Yeah, Maggi star. These are the Royco cubes that I'm going to use. From there I have the olive oil, this one here, you can see it. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use to add to my salad. From there I have the garlic powder. You know, it's a bit hectic to prepare the raw garlic, like the normal garlic, so I prefer using this powder. From there I have my ginger powder here, this one. From there I have the soy sauce for the beef. Then I have beef masala here, if you can see it. From there I have the mixed spices here. And then lastly I have the black pepper. So guys, those are the ingredients. I'll show you the final results later because I can't take you through the whole process. It will be a bit tricky and it will be long. Yeah guys, those are the ingredients. I won't go. I'll prepare myself. I prepare them. So much guys for watching. Nawapenda. Bye. I'm very tired. It's after like 3 hours now. I'm done with cooking chapati and the stew. I want to show you how far I've gone with the salad. Then after that I'll serve and I'll show you guys. So come with me. So here is the salad. I have the sweet corn here, then I have my tomatoes, I have my carrots, I have my cabbages, I have my coriander. That I'm going to share, comment, and like this video. So when I do my